I want to add an article. That is what you'll see. And by default, you have SEO settings. So you would be a fool to do this. But if you want to come over here and give us a title and give us a description and come up with your slug and load an image, and if this is your article, great. Don't come complaining to me. You can do that. Does that make sense? And as soon as you go and you put it in publish, you can add it to your article archives. But let's come back over here and let's look at the news. And it's interesting to me how if I type in Summerlin, Nevada and click on news, it looks like this. But if I click on Casper, Wyoming and do it, it looks like this. Like what? I don't get it, right? But if we come over here and if we find something positive like this guy, and I come over here and if I were to run this through, say a link teaser, now watch what happens to the SEO section if we've done this right. Okay, so you guys know how this works. So I run a link teaser, and then do you see how these have now appeared? Yeah, it's because you've given us information. So now we can go ahead and generate this. All right, and this is now an SEO optimized title. And we can generate the description. This is a meta description. Okay, and now it can take both of those things and it can generate a slug. Scale of 1 out of 10. Is everybody there? And you're free to do whatever you want to do to your article. If you want to put images in, like just like you do your newsletter, it's the same thing. We're just not mailing this thing out. Okay? And if I were to come over here, let me go ahead and upload this photo, I guess, real quick. Set photo. Let me see if I can get something here. I don't know what I got. Did I got anything? Nothing there. I'll show you what happens as soon as we publish this. So I find something like this. I'm going to update. Okay. So now this becomes your article, and we're working on the optimization for this too. So when I preview this now, if I had my domain, see how it says /A? And then you got this slug here that is SEO optimized. And what we've done is we've truncated it to make sure we're inside of SEO policy. All right. Does everybody get this now? Now, Robert's asking a good question. Had I had that image there, that image would have appeared here. Okay, so now whatever I do for this image, since I didn't have anything there, by default, I can't remember if we're going to pull in your logo or not. But since I don't have anything there, I go ahead and load this. This is no longer anything but SEO stuff. Got it? This is not what's going to appear at the top. Whatever you put here, join the group. Okay, and then we say find out how to join the group. Okay, so that's all good. If I set it to publish, now I can add it to the archive. Okay, let me go ahead and save it. All right, and I think it's saved. It might not save in the dev server. Can you check on that for me, Pranay? But regardless, even if it didn't save, well, it did. Okay, it just didn't tell me. Is everybody starting to understand this now? And so now what's going to happen is you're going to have an article, and it could be a link teaser. When you pull in a video in email, it's going to be like the video thumbnail. In the article, you'll actually pull in the video, right? Well, now what we're going to do is we're going to have a new widget down below where you feature your most recent articles or your most recent newsletter. So this article is going to be really, really full. And remember what I said at the beginning of this call, at the very, very top above all this, there will be a banner that comes down until I scroll down, and then this will get stuck at the top. This will be sticky and the banner will be hidden. But when you open this up right away, it'll rotate through the different advertisements that you have. And at the very bottom of this newsletter, going all the way across, it'll be actually below this. You will have a sticky section that features all of your sponsors for your newsletter.